Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. So guys, today I'll be showing how you can remove green screen from this video. So without much ado, let's get started guys. So make sure you have your effects button here, then you have your effects control over here. So we're just going to click on the effects, then we go to the search bar, we type ultra. So we are going to use the ultra key, we drag and we place on our video sequence. Then once we place on our video sequence, we come to the effects control. If you are not seeing your own effects or effects control, make sure you go to Windows, they go to workspace. I'm using for Adobe Premiere Pro 2023. Then you come down to reset. Make sure you reset your workspace and you find your effects and your effects control over here. So you scroll down, you go to the chroma key, ultra key here. As you can see, you click this drop down. This is water droplet. You click, then you come to your video, you click on any green part of the video, you just click here, and there we go, our green screen has gone. So you can see the red background is because of the color matte I've put on the video. So if I take the color matte away, you see the video is now without the green screen. So I hope you do find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos on Premiere Pro. See you on the next video. Bye bye.